Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a message with the strike-through effect on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now this feature is available on iOS 18 or later. So if you haven't updated your phone, first thing is you'll need to go ahead and update it. Now if you're already on iOS 18 or later version, simply open up the Messages app. And then from there on, tap on a contact that you like to send that strike-through text. Tap on that message box. And then before you type something up, you'll see there's a box for the A icon here. That's for special effect, and the strike through effect is right here. So you can click on it, tap on that box again, and anything I type will be strike through. So if I say this as an example, and then I hit that send, and it will send them a strike through effect just like that. Again, click on that icon up here, click on the S for strike through, and then tap on the box again. And then you write your message like that, and it'll be strike through, hit send, and that's like that. You can send a strike through effect message to anyone on your iPhone with iOS 18. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone, especially on iOS 18. We'll see you guys next time.